Common visual style settings, face settings. So let's go up into our Visualize tab. Let's go to Visual Styles. And right now I'm just picking with Realistic. And let's go to our face styles. Our face styles, come over here, we have no face styles. So that means nothing is applied to our faces on our 3D objects. So we have no special effects on our faces. If we go to our realistic face style, it's making it look like the object is realistic. And we also have warm, cool face style. So on the faces of this, it's going from warm colors, the red, yellow, and oranges, to the cool, to blue, green colors. So I'm going to go with realistic. Let's go to the visual style face color mode. Over here we have 4 face color modes. Normal. Normal applies the object color to the face. So in this case, I have a cyan object color in my layer, and it's projecting the faces as that color. I can go to monochrome. Monochrome applies one color to all the faces, and so that is one shade of color. And I can go to a tint, and a tint basically changes the hue and saturation of the color. And so here we have different hues and tints of the color as it goes around. And we also have desaturate. Desaturate then reduces the saturation by 30% of the object color. So it's a little bit lighter than the object color. Now, we can set the opacity controls. Down here we have opacity. If we turn on our X-ray, you can see, let's do this. First, let's go back and change this to X-ray. And then when we're in X-ray, we can control the opacity of this by changing the slider bar. And so it's how much we can see through the object. So it's not very much, or we can see through it quite a bit. So I'm going to come over here and set it at 50. And I can key in a value there as well. And so that is applied when we pick on our X-ray effect button. So when we have that on, it makes it look as though we have our X-ray turned on. We can turn that off. The opacity can be set when it's turned on. And so we have most of our settings for our face settings controlled here in our visual styles. So face settings, basically we can control our face style, our face colors, and our opacity, and whether or not we have our X-ray effect on.